Like, why is the camera blurry?
Probably because your thing's blurry. Are you recording?
Yeah. Dude, it's really blurry and it's making me...
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
It's still blurry. Where'd you go? Okay. It looks cool, though.
This is the boring part, guys. Sorry.
Dude, your calves are, like, really toned.
Yeah. You want to see him? That looks sexy.
I'm sexy and I know it. Hurry up! You just do that the whole time.
Shut up!
Jesus, you know you're not even supposed to do them like that?
We're not.
You're supposed to take them out and put them in the holes.
Okay, whatever. I will find a way to do this.
Dude, it's really blurry right now. It's making me mad.
Why don't you take off your